Hello everybody and welcome back to my all-in-one $25 business tutorial. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Eve Wazir, aka Eve the Affiliate, and I've been an affiliate marketer since January 1st of 2022, so I'm pretty brand spanking new. Haven't been doing this for a year yet. And I've had some success already as a new person. So I had no prior experience whatsoever before I started doing affiliate marketing. So whenever you hear people say you don't have to have experience before you do this, you really don't have to have experience. And with the training that I'm showing you in these videos, all you have to do is watch what I'm doing in the videos, then apply what I'm doing in these videos. So I don't want you to binge watch these videos. I really want you to, the way I'm structuring these videos, I'm making one video for each step. So each video that I make, you should do what I'm doing in these videos before you move on to the next video, if that makes sense. And I have a couple of play series I want to go over real quick. The Savings Highway Global, this is the newest program that I joined. I joined July 29th, and they have a replay of a webinar that took place August 30th, so about a week ago. I have the replay of the webinar. They go over a lot of information in that webinar. Like, it will open up your mind to all the opportunities that you can make money and save money with Savings Highway Global. Then I have a review. Then I go over the compensation plan, which is the craziest compensation plan I ever seen in my life. Because as an affiliate marketer, whenever I came in and I'm promoting all of these other products, I'm promoting them by myself. All the commissions that I earn is based off of everything that I do to get people to buy that product. With Savings Highway Global, you will be joining a team. So if you watch those videos and you like what you see and you click on the link that's in that video, you will be joining my team. And I am on the #1 team for Savings Highway Global. And that's a fact. They have a leaderboard. My team's #1. And my team will be helping you get money, and they would also train you on how to get sales as well. So, and the top earners are the ones that are the ones doing the training in the training videos. So that's pretty cool as well. Next, we have the all-in-one $25 business. Of course, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just redoing this. But these two videos, I go in real in depth of what all you get. I didn't really quite go in depth in the first video to this playlist, but if you want to really get in more depth, you could go watch those two videos right there. This business is like ClickFunnels, except for ClickFunnels is $97 per month, and you can only do like 10 funnels or something, like 20, I think. You can do 20 funnels with ClickFunnels for $97 a month. With this business, it's $25, and you have unlimited funnels that you can create. So it's kind of competing with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a good product. I'm not knocking ClickFunnels, but you should definitely check out to see what this $25 business has to offer for sure. And you'll see why whenever I'm doing the tutorials. Now, this one is the product that I first started promoting January 1st, and I made the most money promoting this one. It is a high ticket, meaning it's going to cost a lot, but I'll walk you through step by step how to make your money back and how to make profits. So watch those. Start with the very beginning. I break down everything. I do have to redo this one because they do have a new product out, a brand new product. They're always adding new products. So this one is kind of outdated, so I'm going to have to update this one to add the new product. But like I said, it's going to cost a lot to maintain everything, and you do have to own everything in order to make the commissions. So you have to own the products to make commissions. And you can earn up to $3,200 commissions with this program. And last but not least, I have a ClickBank series. I teach people that can't afford some of these other programs how to promote ClickBank products, which ClickBank is free. And I use a service called My Lead Gen Secret. So if that sounds interesting to you, you go ahead and check that out as well. So I'm going to continue on with my all-in-one $25 business tutorial. In the last video, I thought in this one I was going to set up an autoresponder, but we need to do some things first in order to get that ready. And the first thing we need to do is we need to set up a business email address. So we're going to head back over to hbahosting.com. And if you're following along with the action steps, I'm going to put some action steps in the video descriptions below. And it's going to be everything that I'm going over in the videos. So it's going to be under where it says actions. It's going to say something like actions to take today or something like that. I'm going to post a link to this thing that's going to have this little Google Doc sheet that you can walk through step by step. Everything that I'm doing, I write down my steps step by step. So today we're going to be creating a business email address. And these links are also clickable. So like if you're looking at it and I say log into HBA hosting, you can just click on HBA hosting and it'll take you right there. So that's what we need to do. We need to come to HBA hosting and we need to log into our account. So click up here where it says log in and just log into your account. All right, now the next step we need to do, we need to hover above our name up here where it says welcome. Then we're going to click on my account. And we're going to hover above manage orders. And then we're going to click on list/search orders. And then whichever domain that you want to edit. So mine for the $25forfreedom.com. I'm going to click on that. You'll click on the domain name. Then the next step, you're going to click on email over here on the far right. Well, it's kind of in the middle, but it's on the far right of the options that you have. Then we're just going to click on manage email. Now from here, I'll put this down in the middle. Oops. Put this right here. From here, we're going to click on add user. Right here where it says add user. Then you're just going to fill out this information. Put your first name and last name. Now for the desired email address, I even wrote this on the sheet. Please note, for your desired email address, I would highly recommend using one of these three names: support, contact, or your first and last name. So by that I mean, let me pull up this little window again. I'm gonna come back over here, pull up this little window. So if I was filling this out, I'd put Ebe Wazir. Desired email address. If you go to any website and they have to contact support or something, what's the email address? support@thatbusiness.com. So that makes your business look way more professional if you have support or contact as your email address. Because whenever you send them the email address with support or contact with your business right behind it, your name is still going to show up. So you really don't have to put your name right here. So if you want to really look professional, I would highly suggest using support or contact as your email address. So it's going to be support@25forfreedom.com. So whenever people are emailing that, they think that they're really emailing, you know, the support team for that company. And then the alternate email address, you just put your main email address that you use so they can contact you and stuff. And then country, United States, or wherever you're from, just fill out all that stuff. Then whenever you're done filling out all your information, you'll just click on add user. I already have one added, so I'm not going to click on add user. But that's how you would add a user, and your email should be up and ready to go. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.